Gỡ ra. Gỡ ra. I usually ask for all flats, but I didn't do that. I'm going. This is the garlic. Oh, let me say. Garlic parmesan. I'm about to say that. You know what? I'm a little pickle. I'm so hungry. Do y'all bite. There you go. Take that. Look at that. Where'd that come from? Coming in the house? Hold up. Oh, I'm about to get y'all. Suga Wugas, I'm back at y'all with another video, and I came home and this is dinner time. It's not going to be a long video. Of course, well, my videos are never that long, but I have 2 games tonight, and I'm going to eat something to be on my stomach. You see what I have here. I'm going to pray, and I'm going to let you know what I got. Okay, my Suga Wugas, if you new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, baby. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. Also, if you always come by, thank you for always showing Sugar Mama some love. I appreciate it. Look what I finally decided to try out and didn't know we had one here in Baltimore. I did not know, sorry. But I have Wingstop. Now I can see what the fuss is all about. I'm always seeing all y'all get Wingstop and all this different type of chicken. So I got a Coke. And I got some ranch dressing right here. I'm about to tell y'all what I got real quick. See if I can remember. This is the menu. Okay, I have the what is it? The spicy Korean. I have the garlic parmesan. I have the Cajun boneless. These both the Korean and the garlic parmesan is bone in. Then I got the Cajun corn and the boneless Cajun, and then I have the Louisiana voodoo fries. I'm gonna taste them first because it's looking right at me like I need to taste this real quick. Okay, see how this is. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah. Oh, let me do a thumbnail. Right. This fries are good. You see me smashing them? Oh, I got this just to hold on. I see what the fuss is about right now. I got veggies, carrot and celery. Well, I really couldn't wait to try the corn. But check this out. Okay. My heart was set on this. Let me tell y'all something. The address I put in my GPS to get to this took me to the highway. Not working. Not the right address. I had to look at the pictures around it and put it together. And I found Wingstop in my area. This is good. Y'all see how I cook up? Hold up, y'all. Hold up. Y'all, let down. Y'all, down. Alright. I usually ask for all flats, but I didn't do that. I'm going. This is the garlic. Oh, let me say. Garlic parmesan. I'm about to say that. You know what? I'm a little pickle. I'm so hungry. Do y'all bite. There you go. Take that. Look at that. Where'd that come from? Coming in the house? Hold up. Get mad. Alright, this is the Cajun. Boneless. It's good. Woo! Woo! That spice is serious. That spice is serious. I eat some of this cake. The garlic got me rolling. Take some of that spice away. And this is, of course, I know it's gonna be spicy. This is that the Korean. That's the Korean one. Uh-oh, see that? Put that away. Trying to not let me be great, y'all. Well. Dip the corn. Yeah. I ain't gotta do this right there, right? That's really good. I know you watching and make me want some chicken. I know that. I know that for sure. I really do like the I like the garlic parmesan, but I really do like the Korean. I like that taste. Not my first time. I like celery. Korean. Flavor is good. Kind of dip it some more in that sauce right now. Alright. There you go. We got my shout out. Woo! Alright, y'all. And you know I gotta get to my shout outs. I thank everyone. Whoever comes over here to check me out, show some support. I really appreciate you. All I gotta do is be one of the first ones to comment on my video. And I'll give you a shout out. And you know I always say, I know I ain't got that many subscribers or whatever. But every little counts, right? And I'll put all your information in my description box. Okay? This corn is awesome though. This corn is good. My first shout out goes to Mark Jones. He always commenting saying great video, all that. He just always stopping by. And I appreciate the love and the support that you always show when you come by. Thank you, Mark Jones. Okay. I'm gonna take a bite. Well, one bite. There you go. Take a bite. Dip it in my wrap. You see how I can go back there? It's spicy. So far, I like Wingstop. I'll do it again. Y'all better go get y'all some Wingstop. Better go get you some. My second shout out goes to, thank you for always stopping by, showing Sugar Mama some love. The second shout out goes to Miss Sugar. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate the comment and everything. Let me know what you want to see me do next. If you have any questions, let me know. All that good stuff. Everyone should be popping up on my screen. Okay, thanks once again, Miss Sugar. I appreciate you. Okay? Alright, let me. Y'all want me to do? I'm going to do it. I'm going to take another bite of this. I'll take another bite. Whew, spicy, this one. This looks like it'll dye your stomach. Look at that. Got to bite a piece of bread with that. Roll. Yeah. Y'all, I don't know why I did that. But, oh, y'all see that? Alright, my third shout out goes to, now I hope I say this name right because it looked like it could be trinheats or trinheats. This H could be silent. Am I saying it right? I don't know. But thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I'm going to try one more time. Trinheats. I'm going to pop you up. Just so everybody can get it correct. Okay? Thank you. I appreciate the love and the support. Okay? Suga Wugas, do not forget to go over to all of the ones that I had just shouted out. All the information will be in my description box. Show them some love if you already haven't. Go over there, subscribe, thumbs up their videos, all that good stuff, right? Alright, you know, I'm gonna hit this up again because I like this. They give you 5. I'm gonna eat all 5. Cause I like it a lot. The corn I do. I'll just give me a side of this. I'll be fine. I sure will. Y'all better try this out. That corn is good. Corn be good. Y'all better not sleep on this corn. That's how I make it do. Alright. Garlic parmesan. Garlic parmesan. I'm out of breath. I'm always getting out of breath. Oh, dripping. Hot my teeth. My food. That's what I'm here for. Oh no. I'm finished, yeah. Where's my corn? How many ate them? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces of chicken. Alright, let's cook that corn up, y'all. I think that's over. Yeah. What was that? Ew. Excuse me, y'all. What was that? No, not cold. I ain't got that stress. Like Pepsi. But it did the job. Alright, y'all. Y'all ready, take another swig. Okay, my sugar woogers, I'm about to let you go if you already didn't let me go. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and comment, share, let everybody know what I'm doing over here on this channel. Show Sugar Mama some love, y'all. But anyway, you know I gotta leave y'all with a big old hug. Woo! See y'all on my next video.